about to get in this US 30 trade. Let me go ahead and get in this trade real fast because I don't want to miss that. Let's move in slow anyways. I'm going 75 lots. Seems like a lot, but it's a funded account, so it's not as big as you guys think. So this is the resistance zone right here that I'm looking at. There is 2 resistance zones. However, this is the main one. I'm going to come back to you guys in a minute and we will see how the trade goes. Look at that, man. Price ended up flying. We should be up about $5,800 right here. I'm going to close this trade. That's what we needed on this account. Not that the account was bad, but I will show you guys if we go to the weekly, I did have a little bit of a loss. Okay, 2,500 bucks. Wasn't happy with that. But overall, we are up $18,000 on the funded account. If you guys would like to get funded as well, just visit claritytraders.com. Most reliable. You get 90% of what you make. Fast payouts. All that good stuff, man. But I'm going to get on the charts. I'm going to break down this trade and show you guys why I got in this buy. There's 2 resistances. However, I like to get in at that first resistance and take my risk because I don't want to miss out on pips. I really don't. This is a stronger resistance. I will say that if price breaks this resistance and goes up, we're probably going to fly. So, I mean, if you look closely, we have touch after touch. Wick, 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 and then about to be another one. So again, once price started to actually break through that resistance zone, I took my buy right about here. Had a nice tight 25-point stop loss. I did close this trade well before that because it did start to consolidate. I still made really good money on the account. I'm happy with what I did. So I did get out there. Price did consolidate, come back down a little bit. Actually came back to break even at one point, but it did overall hit my main zones. I'll take 6K profit, keep 90%, and I go about my day.